and my occupation is designer. So I'm gonna test this versus that.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it. This is not a proper potato, it's a sweet potato, so it's a little bit, it differs from a normal potato, but let's try it. Okay, I stuck on certain places, which I don't know would be the proper normal slicer do it or not. Actually, kind of don't really like that. Okay.
What?
I sliced my nail.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't want to slice. We only want to concentrate. We gotta concentrate on the potatoes today.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe tomorrow we will.
Yeah. Which I don't
try
really like that. I guess this thing, it's, you know, you need to.
It gets stuck in it.
Yeah, it gets stuck.
Okay, so this is a weird potato, not a regular potato.
The other slicer I have at home doesn't have this backbone. Yeah, it just
The what?
Doesn't have this, like, I don't know how to name it. It's a backbone. Yeah, this
Like
surface. It goes like just on two sticks. On this moving part, that's it. So the skin does not stuck behind it.
Okay.
Because it's a little bit slows.
Slows it down, you mean?
Yeah, because you know if it's stuck or like that.
Oh, I see.
That's it. You need to do it with your fingers.
Just like mine.
Okay, try yours now. Try the ones that you use normally. Okay, show me that first. This is a Swiss one. Okay.
Maybe I'm used to mine, so I feel like mine is a little better.
Yours is better in what way? What do you mean?
I don't know. It's easier to use.
It doesn't get stuck with the peel.
I would say yes.
Okay, now try this one.
Let me try another one.
Yeah.
It's a little hard.
How?
It's not that smooth.
It's not faster, like the peeling is not.
See, like here.
Yeah.
You see what the little one. Well, it's not bad.
The thing is that if it's true that you don't need to sharpen this part, it's very good. But the thing is, I don't find the handle particularly ergonomic.
You don't find it?
No. I mean, it's good grip because it's rubber. Yeah, but somehow, I don't know, it's a bit bulky in this place. I feel like pressure on my palm in here, like that.
There's pressure.
I feel like it is not. Maybe my slicer is better. I mean, maybe the shape of my slicer is better.
Which particular you use?
It also has the rubber grip, and it's like it doesn't.
Is it like one of those Swiss-made metal?
Yeah, exactly.
Metal blade.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know. It slices okay. Let's try this little part. Okay. Again, I prefer it on my slicer. It's a pity I didn't bring it here and I cannot compare. But my slicer has a sharper end and it goes like right in. This I think makes a little bit too big holes. It makes, you know, it's like too bold.
Right.
That's what I think.
The handle is perfect. It's very easy.
Convenient.
Very convenient.
Okay. What do you think about the shape of it? I mean, is it
perfect?
Comfortable in your hand?
To be honest, this is better than mine.
Like as far as the handle?
Right.
Okay. And so you're saying it's harder because it doesn't move along
as smooth as
the Swiss one, the metal one.
Right.
I see.
Again, maybe I'm used to mine.
Right.
See,
how much is the maximum you would pay for something like this, if you were to choose this?
Oh. Well, to be honest, you don't have to actually. This is like you can use it forever, in my understanding, right? You don't have to change this part.
Right, that's what the packaging says. Right. It's like.
So I would pay like 20, maybe 25.
25?
Maybe.
Okay.
How
much was yours?
How
much was yours?
$5.
$5 for yours. Okay.
For me, it's not very comfortable in my hand.
It is not.
The thing.
And because you hold it like that, I mean, perhaps you can hold it differently? Maybe there's a proper way, or do you think that was the intention of the designer?
I think it's, yeah, maybe, you know, maybe the designer made a beautiful look also. Of course, you can put it on like that, so it's useful, yeah, when you can just
Right,
put it.
your slicer doesn't have that, right?
My slicer just hangs. Maybe hanging, in my case, when I have a little kitchen slice, hanging works better, because I don't have such much of surface to put different things on it.
Okay.
So it depends on the people. Okay, you can use it like a decoration, it is quite neat. I like the shape, I like the color.
So you can use it for decoration, but not for cutting.
I mean, you can use it for cutting, because you can see, because I did the potato, it's clean, yeah?
Right.
Once the skin is gone, it's easier now, but again, like you need always to clean it.
I see, so it gets stuck easily,
Yeah.
as opposed to the one... Have you ever sliced the sweet potato with your slicer?
Yeah, I did.
And was it also getting stuck? I mean, is it because of the sweet potato? That's why?
To be honest, really, sweet potato is harder to
It's
clean.
just, it's got rougher skin,
Yeah,
right?
it has got rougher skin, and it's like more solid. Like, you know, it's not so soft like a normal potato.
Right.
So
Okay.
maybe that's the reason.
But that's the only potatoes we have for today.
Yeah, so
But
it's beautiful potatoes
I see.
actually, they fit. Yeah, so my review would be on a sweet potatoes by now. Like, I feel like this, I don't really like the fact that you always need to use your fingers to take the skin away.
So you're saying you cannot get used to it because of the fact that you have to put too much pressure on it.
Exactly. That's exactly what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying.
It's not as smooth, or maybe you're saying it's not as sharp, or is the sharpness that makes it so harder?
That's all. That's all. See? Again, maybe
You don't
I'm
apply
used
too
to
much
it.
pressure, you're saying, with yours.
Not at all.
And with the slice one,
Way too much.
you have to put pressure.
Yeah. It's heavier.
Heavier.
Yes.
Okay. And what is that sticking out, like on the end of it?
Oh, because it goes.
Oh, it's a
between that
protector,
metal.
so it doesn't, like,
Yeah.
when you put it down, it protects the blade, right?
I think that's what it is.
I don't really like this fat ending.
You don't?
I don't really like, because it's like it doesn't fit my palm. It's like hits me here. I don't feel it comfortable. You know, it's like that.
So if it was narrow,
It's like,
it would.
if it would be narrower, I guess it would be more comfortable for
But
me.
then it wouldn't stand as freely and stable on the table.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Exactly. And but I like the fact that you don't need to sharpen the blade. I really like this fact.
What is it made of? What do you think?
I can see it's ceramics.
Ceramic, right?
Yeah, ceramic. So, and
Right.
this moves okay, yeah, so it's kind of catches the way of the vegetable.
I see. How does...
So only this thing stucks.
Do you like the feel of it though? The surface of the...
Yeah, it's nice grip. That's
because
it.
of the rubber?
And also
Rubber?
I just washed it
Rubber?
because it got a little bit of sand on it earlier, and even if when it's wet,
Yeah.
it still holds well.
You got sand because we were on the beach.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Right, alright. Right, it's not from the potato. Now, also, how much would you pay for something like this maximum?
Up to $15 for design. Well, I know that design things, they are like more costly usually.
Oh, the products that have
That have
unique
like,
design.
unique design or modern design, you know,
Yeah.
or beautiful design. So up to $15, something like that.
Maximum, right?
Yeah. Okay, I think I made a discovery. Maybe I was a little bit too strict to that thing.
Yeah.
The discovery is that if I do it like with a little bit shorter moves, shorter moves, that's what I can say, then it doesn't matter that it stacks, it just flies away, so you see.
Oh, it just goes away on its
Yeah,
own.
Yeah, it's just like that. Well, you need to make a little bit more of a moves with your hand, but it's still, you see, it goes well. It's smooth like that. So maybe, yeah, maybe I was.
You don't just start from the beginning of the potato, from the top of it, all the way down in one strike.
Yeah. So you need to make it like to break it.
Multiple.
And then it's clean. Look, then it's neat.
And it never gets stuck, and you never have to use your fingers.
It gets stuck, but it doesn't matter because it flies away with the.
So yeah, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So in that perspective, it's
and
rehabilitated.
Right. Is this one actually smoother skin? That's why it's kind of easier, or just because of the fact that you started?
No, just because I think it's because of the fact that I started to use it in a more brave way. You know, maybe because in the beginning it was kind of like unusual, something new.
Yeah.
And now I just needed to clean the potato for cooking.
Right.
So I tried to do it.
So you sped up and then
Yeah, and I did it well. I think it works. Okay. So rehabilitated.
All right.
For something.
Change your mind then.
Yeah, but I still kind of feel. You see, there is like a round in my palm.
Where is
it? Like a stamp from a.
Oh.
I still feel like it's a little bit. Maybe.
So you don't have to buy stamps anymore.
Yeah, it's stamped.
Right, like for mailing anything. What about the shape of it? Do you like the shape of it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay.
And it could also stand.
Oh, and yours? Let me see yours. Does it stand?
No.
About this one, I like that the handle, it fits with my hand, and that it stands. Like
what does it stand for?
Justice.
Justice. Okay.